y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some spoilers for the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate for August. No, we're in September. Did I say August of 2020 in my last video? I hope not. This is September. We're in September next month. These are spoilers for September, and yeah, if you're excited, then give this video a thumbs up. I'm sorry, this whole intro just like went that way when it should have gone that way. Kind of like my boobs when I'm not wearing a bra, which is now. So, have you ever seen Wizard of Oz and the Scarecrow was like, you can go that way or you can go that way? Well, that's me. Always. Anyways, enough of that because that's too much information. We're going to be doing some spoilers for the Ipsy Ultimate for September of 2020 today. I've already done all the other spoilers, so I don't know which video is going to come out first. So if those are already out, I will link them below so you can go see it. We can talk about it. Y'all can give me your opinions on this stuff. And yeah. Anyways, if you guys enjoy spoilers for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, please, if you would do me the honor and go ahead and hit the subscribe button, it would literally melt my heart. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first spoiler is from Gold Fatted MD. This is the Brightening Elixir Plus Repair Brightening Serum. So it says, what doesn't it do? This multitasker boosts your natural radiance, brightens an even skin tone, majorly moisturizes, calms your complexion, and minimizes the look of fine lines. Vitamin C, ferulic acid, vitamin B, and vitamin E deliver maximum results you can actually see. Well, if the results are like you can actually see them, then that's something that I would really like to try. I kind of feel like, though, I'm not going to get the Ultimate, only because I know Boxycharm is coming out in September, and I really don't feel like paying $50 twice, and I don't know. I think I'm going to probably skip September's Ultimate unless, like, more spoilers come out that I'm, like, interested in, but right now I'm kind of, like, meh looking at these spoilers. So let me know how you feel below of these spoilers as well. Next up we have something from Huda Beauty, which is actually really exciting. This is the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. It says it's so much more than a primer. This fave blurs the appearance of pores and fine lines while moisturizing your skin with dimethicone, if I'm saying that correctly, and nourishing with rosehip oil. Its creamy, penetrating formula can also be used as a lightweight moisturizer to leave skin soft and nourished without feeling oily, which I think I have this, or I have something like it. I already have my primer open from a past spoiler video. I have the Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base, so I have the matte one, and this is just the Complexion Perfection. So I have the Matte Perfection, and I really do like this. So this would be something that I hope is like in the add-ons, so I can just buy it for like my plus, because I really don't want the Ultimate. Just saying. Next up, we have something from Katja Beauty. This is the Bento Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. And I kind of think, like, is this going to be like a full-size item or one of the deluxe size samples? Because you get both. Because I hope they don't, like, count. I mean, I don't know. I would, I don't know. I don't really feel this item much. It's just not my vibe. Anyways, it says this stacked creamy powder eyeshadow comes in a specifically curated trio of shimmer shades that apply so easily you can even use your fingers. Katja's glitter arrangement technology delivers uniform shimmer in every swipe, perfect for quick, easy eye looks on the go. So you have some really pretty shades here. It's just I don't really like the stacked thing. I don't know. I guess I'm just not into it. You might be into it. I'm just not into the stacked thing. And that's my opinion. And we all have opinions because they're like buttholes. Anyways, next up from Nature Lab, this is the Tokyo Shampoo, Conditioner, and Treatment Trio. I assume these would probably be sample sizes and not full size sizes. It says leave hair damage behind as you transition into fall with this reparative set. God. Repair shampoo strengthens and protects weak strands to turn back the clock on your hair. Repair conditioner is made with a potent blend of prickly pear seed oil and bamboo stem technology for strong, vibrant hair and color. Repair treatment mask is a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. So, I mean, that sounds really, really great. I actually reviewed 2 years ago, and that video was one of the videos that did really well for me back then, of the Matrix repair hair care, and I actually really liked that stuff. I used it all until it was done. I did it like once a week or however much you're supposed to do it, and I really liked that stuff. I can link the video below if I remember, but back then I was getting like 40 views per video, and then I got like 1,000 views on that one, so I was like, ooh, look at me. But I think I did really good on that review actually. I haven't seen that video since I posted it, but I remember like feeling so proud of myself when I edited that video. I kind of felt like I was in a commercial. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. Next up, we have something from Zoeva. This is the Caramel Melange eyeshadow palette. I don't know if this is one that we got in Boxycharm, but we got like several. There was like 12 or so different Zoeva palettes you could have gotten, and then you could like get them as add-ons, and then we saw them in like the pop-up, and yeah. I heard that the formula was kind of garbage. Like a lot of you guys, because this Boxycharm messed up. I had a Zoeva palette as a choice item, and Boxycharm messed up for everyone. Like nobody got their choice item that month. It was all messed up, and so many people were saying you're not missing out on anything. This palette was dumpster fire. So and that was like an array of different palettes. People did not like these palettes, so that's one reason why I'm kind of like, well, if there's a palette in the box and people were saying that it was not good. Now, I don't know about this specific palette, but people in general were saying so many of the palettes were just not good. So that's why I'm just kind of like, I'm not going to miss out on this box. Like, you know what I mean? But yeah, what you guys should always look up reviews on separate products anyways. Like, my opinion could be one thing, but it's always best to do your research on all these products to see if, like, hey, I want to get the ultimate because I could get this palette in here. I wonder if it's good. Definitely look up reviews first on the palette to see if it's even going to be worth getting it, if that's like your main star of wanting to get the box. Just a suggestion. That's how I do things. Next up, we got something from Julep. This is the Cushion Complexion Concealer, which actually sounds like kind of interesting. It's this really weird like applicator, kind of like a lip gloss, like one of those lip glosses with like the fuzzy, I don't know. Anyways, it says this multitasking skin perfector conceals, corrects, illuminates, blurs, and brightens. The buildable medium to full coverage formula has a natural demi-matte finish, and the convenient cushion tip applicator allows for easy and precise application. Use it to spot correct and conceal or all over as a foundation. I have a feeling that this is going to have a lot of complaints because like people are going to be like, oh, my undertone, oh, this isn't the right shade, oh, my undertone. So I kind of feel like complexion products really shouldn't be included in boxes as much as we would love them to be. Like Boxycharm was all about like, oh my god, we're going to introduce complexion items, and we've only gotten like what, 3 complexion items, and they introduced that literally like almost a year ago. So I just feel like complexion products like this is like a concealer or even a foundation. It's just, it could make a lot of people angry because they want their specific shade. But if I get this, I probably would not use it because I don't know. I feel like I don't want to waste it if it's not going to be my shade. You know what I mean? Next up, we have something from Muse. This is a deep color lip balm in Poppy. Protects your lips from upcoming fall chills. Ain't that the truth? This cult favorite soothing and hydrating lip balm gives you sheer, clear, effortless color with lasting moisture. Swipe once for a hint of hue or add more buildable color infused with nourishing oils. These lip treatments deliver nonstop hydration and effortless color to your lips. So it's just a really pretty berry tone. And then there's also a brush that's in this as a spoiler, a little mascara as a spoiler, and it looks like a bronzer blush duo that could be a spoiler from Galactic, I want to say. Something I can't tell, and the Sunday Riley Ice little sample I'm just seeing from like an overall picture. So I guess maybe those are spoilers, I don't know, but it's in the picture, so I'll just insert it here. But that is all for this video. If you guys enjoyed, then please give this video a thumbs up. Of course, leave all the opinions down below. You know I love to hear them. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!